How to check someone's repost on TikTok. If you are curious about someone's repost on TikTok and you want to know it, just see this video until the very end. So before starting the video, subscribe our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon so you can receive the notification of next video. To like, comment and share as well. Without wasting the time, let's jump in your TikTok app and then hit your profile icon at the right bottom of your screen. Now you can see your own profile here. At the first place, you can see the draft post, and just right to it you can see any public post over here. As you can see, there's no public post, so there's no option to see the repost here. You can only see the public post of that person or your post. If you want to see your repost, just click on the three lines at the very top of your screen. You can only see your repost on TikTok. You are not able to see anyone else repost option. Just click on the settings and privacy and then scroll down until you find the comments and watch history. Just click on watch history and you can see all your watch videos and you can easily find your repost videos here. In this way you can find out your repost videos on TikTok. Hope it helps. If you have any question, let me know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye, and thanks for watching.